There is a railway line in North Yorkshire which offers stunning scenery, has amazing stations, and it's not the Settle and Carlisle line. Middlesbrough is the stop Death Valley line, and we'll be waiting for the 10:21 service to Whitby. So we are now on the train. I'll be taking this train down to Whitby. So we're now at James Cook Station. Interestingly, on the station signs it says James Cook, but on the PA it says James Cook University Hospital. This is the newest station on the line, and it is also, as suggested by the PA, a connection to the James Cook Hospital. We're now known for most of the services terminate here, but some continue to Battersby and Whitby. Also, a token exchange occurs at this station. Battersby, where the train will reverse. The train sits here for 5 minutes. The station also has 2 abandoned platforms as well. So once the train reverses from Battersby, the train continues straight to Whitby. This may look like we're in the middle of nowhere, but we're not. We're at Kildale. The platform can't even accommodate a 2-car train. And we're leaving. Also, Kildale is the least station on this line as well. The railway line is absolutely stunning. Just look outside the window how amazing it is. We're now at Lealholme, which is the prettiest village in Yorkshire, apparently. We're now at Glaisdale, and it's double track because it's a passing loop. Gromont where you can change for the NYMR, and the NYMR joins the National Rail Network on the Esk Valley line here. So we're now at Russup, the penultimate stop before Whitby. Whitby, and as you can see, one platform is used for the National Rail and the other is used for the Heritage Railway. Video isn't over. As you can see, we're going to get the 37 over there. 37688 will be our train to Gromont. We are on board the Heritage train. I'll be taking that to Gromont. Okay, so we're now leaving Whitby on the Heritage train, which is quite cool. Here's where we change tracks onto the Heritage Railway. Made it to Gromont. I'm going to film this train and I'll be doing a debrief. That was an amazing experience, both on the steam train and for class 156. I would recommend this line, and even if you're not into trains, you should still ride this line. It's quite amazing, and there's also a bunch of places you can visit on this line as well. If you need help or with anything with travelling on the railway line, you can pick up one of these things at any single station on the S5 line that has racks. These would help you. It has it's got things like maps and even a paper timetable. Timetables in 2026. Thanks for watching. Do that YouTube stuff if you want, and I'll see you in the next video.